Hello guys, today I'm going to show you how to make a Lambo sound. What you want to do is you want to make a kissy lips like this. Like this. And then you want to like this. And then I'll show you how to make a rotary like this. And then this is like the bone stop. Then how to make an Audi Auto Turbo. I got it right here, Hot Wheels. So you make it. See? And then for this, you want to make. I'm gonna make a Turbo Civic. I'll make a Mustang. Hope you guys enjoyed the video. Okay, make sure to give it a thumbs up.